How to change your name in Clash Royale. In this video, I'll show you how you can simply change your name on the Clash Royale game. So to get started, go ahead and open Clash Royale and click on the burger icon at the top right and then select settings from here, and then you'll be able to find this change name button under the name section. So as you can see, the name change is available for accounts above the King level 5. So to be able to change your Clash Royale account name, you need to level up to King level 5 to be able to change the name. Take note that the first change is free, subsequent changes require gems. So once you have reached the King level 5, you can go ahead and change your name, but after you change your name once, you'll need to pay for the second time that you try to do that. And that is how you can basically change your name in Clash Royale.